morning, good evening, welcome back, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Smart Kids by Pearl. In today's vlog, I'll share yung may unboxing tayo ng mga secret.
Secret? Wow,
present.
Beautiful gift.
It's actually a golden item.
Golden item.
And you can put it in your face. Charan, charan, charan.
Wow.
For your hands.
Very beautiful.
First, this is the earrings.
Earrings, pair of earrings.
And this one is the hand.
Bangle.
The bangle.
This is what we call bangle, guys. Look.
And the earrings so beautiful.
Wow, very beautiful bangle.
Look at the earrings.
Yan guys, Chanel. Okay. Pwede kayo mag-order nito, guys. You can order this if you want to order.
Tita Ami.
Yes, from Tita Ami. You can order this.
And this one is the necklace.
And this one is the necklace.
So we're gonna wear that for a second.
You want to wear this, ate?
Okay, let's go. So guys, I already wear
The accessories.
Accessories, and this is my old accessories.
These are the old accessories, and then she had replaced it to the new ones. Charan! Dun. Let me see your earrings. Wow, very beautiful Chanel. And then the necklace. Wow, very beautiful earrings. Huwag ka manikot. Papakita natin yung earrings na maganda. Oh, ganda mo ng earrings. And then the necklace. Beautiful. Oh, and then the bangle. Where's the bangle? Oh. Patingin. Very beautiful. Patingin ng bangle. Yun oh, ganda ng bangles kayo. So, pwede kayo mag-order oh.
Kay Ate Ami.
Opo, ano masasabi mo?
So guys, thank you for watching guys. Bye-bye. Click the bell button and like subscribe na. Babush!
God bless.